In today's lesson, we will investigate what an algebraic expression is and how to collect like terms in an expression. You will have been successful today if you can identify an algebraic expression, know what is meant by like terms and can simplify an expression. So what is an algebraic expression? X plus 1, a over b, 17y, 3a plus b, and 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 3 all over x plus y are all different algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is just a mathematical phrase. It can contain numbers, variables, which are the letters, and operators like add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Like terms are terms whose variables are the same. So for example, 2x, x and 6x all have a single x in them, so they are all like terms. 7a, 12a and negative 5a also all have a single a in them, so they are like terms. Okay, so let's figure out how to do this. 2x plus 3x, these are like terms. They're both x terms, so we can just add them like numbers. We know that 2 plus 3 is 5, so 2x plus 3x is just 5x. Here, these are both y terms. So 3y take away 2y, 3 take away 2 is 1, so that just leaves us with 1y. Now we don't need to write the number 1 in front of y. We can simply leave it as y because we can see there that there is 1y. In example 3, I've got negative 13t plus 5t. So if I was on a number line, negative 13t would be here, and by adding 5t, I would be moving closer to 0. So I'd be moving 5 places closer to 0, which would give me negative 8t. And in example 4, I've got 6s take away negative 4s. Remember, take away a negative is the same as adding, so this just becomes 6s plus 4s, which is 10s altogether. So what happens if all the terms aren't like terms? For example, if we have 2a plus 3b plus 4a plus b. Now we can see that this is a mixture of a's and b's, so we can't just add it all together. How do we calculate this? So if we put this in terms of apples and bananas, this is like being given 2 apples, 3 bananas, 4 apples and 1 banana. So we could show it like this. So how many apples and bananas do we have all together? We have 6 apples and 4 bananas. So if apples are equal to A and bananas are equal to B, that tells us that 2a plus 3b plus 4a plus b is equal to 6a plus 4b. So I can add my a's together and I can add my b's together separately, but I can't then join 6a and 4b together. Okay, so here I'm going to start by adding together my a terms. So I've got 2a plus 4a, and that's going to give me 6a. I've got plus 3b, so a positive 3b plus b, which gives me plus 4b. So 6a plus 4b is my final answer. For example 6, I've got x and y terms. I've got 7x plus 2x, which gives me 9x. And I've got a positive 3y plus another 4y, which gives me plus 7y. So my final answer is 9x plus 7y. Here, I have a and b terms in example 7. So starting with my a terms, I have 7a take away 3a this time, which gives me 4a. And I have a positive 2b take away b, which leaves me with 1b. Now remember what I said previously, we don't need to write the number 1. We can see there's 1b here, so there's no need for us to write the number 1. So the final answer is 4a plus b. In example 8, I've got 4f take away 2f, which leaves me with 2f. And I've got 3g take away g, which leaves me with plus 2g. So my final answer is 2f plus